So hello viewers, this is Aital Haramis and I am the CEO of Paradise Tours and Travel Company, and I am very pleased to make you understand that what is the motto of our company. The motto of our company is your dream is our dream. And guys, these are the backbone of my company, so I would like to say to my employee that they will give their introduction so that you will get more information about them.
Hello guys, how are you guys? May I have your attention please? This is Abdullah Islam standing before you. They are my team, they are our team who provide us 100% satisfaction. Our company is spread throughout the world such as America, Japan, and we are so lucky to found in India because our CEO also belongs from India. So guys, good luck now.
कैसन बा ठीक बा कि ना बा सब चीज बुझला सब आराम से तो जितना जल्दी आई बा हमारी कंपनी में तो उतना जल्दी पाइबा।
Hello everyone, this is Shailesh Vishwa. I am a travel consultant of Paradise Travel Company. I am here to let you visit the Dream City Mumbai. So welcome you all in Amchi Mumbai.
Shubh Shokal, my name is Muskan and I am the executive head of Paradise Tours and Travel Company. Welcome to the Cultural City, Kolkata.
કેમ છો મજામાં and I am the executive head of Paradise Tour and Travel Company and મારું નામ રાજ છે.
Hello guys, it's me Priya Verma. I am the consultant agent of Paradise Tour and Travel Company and my destination is Simla.
Welcome Anna, this is Divyanshu and I am marketing head of Kerala.
Hey, understand amma? Understand amma? Understand చెప్పండి పెరుగుందా?
So let me tell you one more thing guys, that our company is not a new company. Since 2013 our company has been working and it has got a certification of International Travel Agency. So today I am your host and now I would like to call my employee. He is Chota Packet and Bada Dhamaka. He will visit you all the Kerala side. So he is none other than Mr. Divyanshu Kumar Sinha. So please put your hands together and call him.
Welcome Anna, this is Divyanshu and I am a marketing head of City Kerala. I am from Paradise Tours and Travels Company and I am going to say something about Kerala. The land of greenery has been one of the most cultured states in India. And do you know guys, there are a huge number of people from Malayalis and Dravidians, where besides three main culture was Hinduism, Christianity and Islam culture. The 300-old dance Kathakali developed in Kerala. Yes guys, 300-old dance Kathakali developed in Kerala. And you want to know other famous dance of Kerala? Yes, I say you, other famous dance of Kerala is Krishnanatyam and Kudiyattam. This is a very fantastic name of dance form. I am going to say something about festival Onam. Onam there was a national festival of Kerala, and this festival celebrated in each year in a month of August and September. And one more thing I would like to say, the tea garden was a beautiful and attractive garden was there. And tea garden increased the beautiness of Kerala. And so come here and see this type of things and enjoy many things and enjoy also spicy foods. And so that's all guys, come Kerala and enjoy. Hey viewers, बोलो यार, सुन लगता है.
Hello.
Welcome to our company Paradise Tour and Travels, and this is the Himanshu Kumar Sinha, an employee of Paradise Tour and Travels. And do you know guys, I have come back with a new package of 4 days and 5 nights guys. Yes guys, 4 days and 5 nights. And do you know where we will let you visit? We will let you visit the very interesting, the very captivating and the very beautiful city of Panji, who is none other than Goa. Yes guys, Goa. And do you know guys, where will you stay? You will stay in the 5-star hotel, the Hard Rock Hotel guys. Yes guys, the Hard Rock Hotel. And there we will provide you everything what you want, everything guys, such as spa, restaurant, garden, everything, etc. everything guys. And thereafter in day 1 of Goa, that is Baga Beach. Yes guys, Baga Beach. And there, do you know what's the speciality of Goa of Baga Beach? The speciality of Baga Beach is there you can do water sports such as parasailing, banana rides and scuba diving guys. Yes, scuba diving. If you are the lover of this type of ride, then you must have to come in our company. We will let you visit the very interesting place Goa. Yes guys, Goa. And there we will, and in this again we will let you visit the very interesting and the famous places. In this again we will let you visit two places that is also a lot of fun. There you can do a lot of fun, cycling, horse riding, a lot of things guys, a lot of things. And there we will let you visit the Bondola Sanctuary. Yes guys, Bondola Sanctuary. If you are the school boy or girl and if you are the couple, then you must have to come there and enjoy a lot, because that is also the enjoying place and learning place guys. And do you know what's the height of that sanctuary? That is 18 kilometer. Yes guys, 18 kilometer. And we will provide you cycle because you will enjoy with cycle a lot guys, a lot. And thereafter in afternoon we will shop a lot in the malls, market. And do you know what we'll shop? We'll shop sunglasses, headphones, hats and a lot of things and fun as shopping. And in third day we will rest a lot, because in night there is something special. Yes guys, there is something special. In night we will enjoy the Goa nightlife guys. Yes guys, the Goa nightlife. And in the Goa nightlife we will enjoy a lot of dance, a lot of sing. And if you are the lover of this type of clubs, then please come in our company. We will let you visit the Goa and in nightlife. It's the destination of all the tourister. If you are the tourister of entertaining or the art and culture, you must come there and enjoy a lot. And then please come in our company and enjoy the places of Goa. And lastly, we will drop you in the airport. Bye bye guys, bye bye.
So thank you Mr. Himanshu Gohasina for making us understand your destination place as Goa. If you are lover to wonder to visit Goa, then you must have to come with us. So now I would like to call my co-host. Because of that, I am not going to conduct this session. So please put your hands together and call my co-host, Mr. Abdul Wahid Zafar.
Hello guys, how are you guys? What's up guys? Good morning to all of you. I would like to start this wonderful season with a heartiest wish you all a good morning. So guys, we are most welcome in Paradise Tour and Travel Company. Friend, I think by seeing your lovely faces, are you so excited to know about your company? So our company is so famous and spread throughout the world, such as America, Japan and Australia, and you were so lucky to found in India. So I think you didn't may require of introduction of our company, because our company is spread through so famous and so popular. My company provide each and every meals whatever you want. So here a girl, a beautiful girl, a loyal girl and kind-hearted girl is here to visiting you Switzerland. So please give a round of applause for her.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Paradise Tours and Travel Company. It's me Ria, the executive of Paradise Tours and Travel Company. I'm back with the special package of Switzerland. Yes guys, Switzerland. Switzerland is like a heaven on earth. In fact, whole Switzerland is beautiful, but I'm going to express some of the beautiful places of Switzerland. At first, I would like to express about Jungfrau Joch. Jungfrau Joch is a notable saddle in the Bernese Alps connecting the two 4,000ers peak. It also offers a lot of stuffs, cogwheel train ride, lush green farms, snow-clad mountains, overall a mesmerizing experience. After that, I would like to express about Titlis. Titlis is a mountain of Uri Alps located at the top border between the cantons of Walden and Bern, and it is just awesome view. If you will see from up to down, it is just awesome view. After that, I would like to express about Lake Lucerne. Lake Lucerne is a lake in Switzerland and the fourth largest in the country, and it is just awesome. And if you will roam around the lake, it is actually known for its peace, and you will love it, that place. And after that, I would like to express about Rhine Falls. Rhine Falls is the falls in Switzerland and the fourth largest in the country and the best place in Switzerland. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone and book this ticket right now. If you book this ticket right now, then you will get 10% discount. Yes guys, 10% discount. So go ahead and plan for a trip. So thank you.